Heidi ho there, neighbor and design champions. Welcome back to another installment of...
Hello, gorgeous.
That's right, making design stuffs. Get it right. Today, I need to do two things. Number one, we gotta get the third logo design from 30 Logos Challenge. And then secondly, I wanna fix a couple things that I did yesterday. I wanna take a second shot at the Grind coffee shop logo. And then secondly, I need to fix the illustration for rtweek. I don't think it was good. I woke up this morning. I woke up this morning. I'm pretty sure something happened to it while I slept, but it doesn't look good. So I need to fix that situation. First off, let's start with the logos. Oh, hello, Amber Dalton. Hiya. Oh, I like her personality already. Hiya. Amber here, and we're excited you're taking on our logo redesign. Oh, you're welcome. Attached below is the current logo for Twitchy Rabbit. What kind of a company would be Twitchy Rabbit? That's pretty awesome. The problem is that it's too detailed and doesn't work great as our logo, especially at small sizes. And this is something we want to improve on. Twitchy Rabbit is an email marketing platform similar to MailChimp. Oh, now it just seems like they're kind of stealing the whole animal thing. And Twitchy the Rabbit is our mascot. We'd like him to be redesigned into a more simple, iconic form that we can use across our products. We are willing to accept a solid color logo or something with multiple colors as long as it works great at small size, around 50 by 50 pixels for icons. Holy cow. Okay, current logo. Here he is. There's the rabbit boy. You know what, Amber? You found your man. You found the right guy. I'm so glad that you selected me. Miss Dalton, I will have your Twitchy Rabbit for you in 3 months' time. Give me 3 months. No, let's get started. I took the image of Twitchy the Rabbit boy and I outlined him. Because it's a logo redesign. It's not really like a completely new logo. So I wanted to make sure it was the same rabbit. Also, it's just way easier, right? than making a rabbit on your own. I went through like a million different versions of what I really thought would be cool. I changed his ears some, but what I really thought would be cool is if we give him a different expression. So I went with kind of a different direction in terms of expression. Their Twitchy was kind of just crazy, and my Twitchy is he gets a little bit scary, I guess, in the end, but it's kind of an idea of Twitchy like he's schizophrenic, Twitchy Rabbits, he's a guy who, he meets you and he doesn't know who you're working for. Is it the FBI? Is it the KGB? How long have you been stalking him? How much do you know about him? He's kind of twitchy, He doesn't easily trust people. He doesn't open up. So that's what I wanted to capture. So I worked on his head shape, his eye shape, the angle of his face, his teeth, basically everything, before I got to something I thought was pretty cute. Cute, but in an aggressive way. Not aggressively cute, but cute was still looking not very friendly. I think it's cool. So I was playing around. Oh, I got the color red from the shirt of the original logo, because I thought, well, if he's a mascot for their brand, then their brand color is probably this reddish orange color. So I used that, and I came through and I added some shadowing to the rabbit, to Twitchy boy. And that really brought it to life. It's a very important step. When it was just flat, it lacked interest. Yeah, but anyways, this is the final product. Hope you like it. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Is it good? Hopefully you think so. But also, if you think it's bad, right, it's terrible. You can write that below. Okay, I've finished the logo. Boom, bam, bizzle, dizzle. Trizzle, whizzle. Fizzle, gizzle. All right, the next project, I gotta rework a few things I made yesterday. They aren't that great. First off, the Grind logo. Let me think about what I can do to this. Number one, I think it's just lacking. It's lacking that edge, that I will hereby call the Zim, the design champion edge. Yeah, let's call it the design champion edge. It's just a little bit too friendly, I would say. And I don't know, the spacing's all wrong. The letters are weird to me. Like the spacing in the letters is weird. So I think what I'll do is probably change the letters themselves, and then I just get like a normal font face, then bring it back in here, do some work to the grinder. I guess it just looks like a gear. Right now it's not yelling coffee to me. Perhaps I could make the green thing in the background, I could make that a coffee bean, possibly. I really don't know. Maybe I will do that. And then also I am wanting the look how much cooler it looks when I make the stuff like go off the edge, basically in any direction. It just looks cooler. Like this logo already is way cooler than that one, it's like domestic design champion edge, domestic design champion edge. We need to elevate this sucker, is what I'm talking about. So I'm gonna work on that, and then after that, this guy, it doesn't look good, it looks bad. Heartache. I feel heartache and pain in my lonely design life. It's true, I live alone. This guy we gotta fix. I'm gonna get rid of the guy. It's awkward to look at the back of his head. I should have seen that yesterday. Whatever. We know it today. It's weird to look at the back of his head. I'm gonna move that. The rtweek interface screen is okay. I'm just gonna put it above the girl. Basically, I need an image that's taller than it is wide, which is another mistake that I made with the website yesterday. Messed up stuff. So I need to put the interface above her, and then I just gotta make it more interesting. I don't know how. Oh yeah. I'm gonna add a color background. I need that color background. I don't think I want it on white, but I don't think I want a square box. So I'm just maybe do like a round pool shape. What's the name of that guy who used to design pools and like the perfect shape for skateboarders? Anyways, yeah, that's my plan. That is my plan for those two. So I'm gonna get started and do that. Catch you at the end. It's never the end. Design never stops. Yes, there's always more to come. Yes. But guess what? You're a design champion. That means you can take everything that comes and produce beautiful things for the world. Yeah. Okay, design kiddos, I am done with today's projects. Thank you so much for following along. Leave in the comments below whether you liked the logo design, and if you watched all 3 of these videos so far, let me know which logo you like the best so far. There's 3 to choose from, so leave a comment below which one you like the best. And if you aren't following my Instagram so far, then I'm posting all the logos there, and I'll let you know when a new video is coming out, which is 8 a.m. every day. So just come back in the morning every day for new design, for another installment of Making Design Stuffs with your host, me. Me. Okay. I have some things planned in the future that will be pretty fun, and hopefully it'll involve you guys like submitting some of your work, and then I can either like review it or I can just like appreciate it, be like, yeah, that's awesome, it's cool. So be ready for that. I'm right now working through what would be the best way for you to like get it to me, and then what would be the best format, etc. Exclamation point. Okay, so thank you guys for watching. I'm glad you're here today. Make sure you go and do some design stuffs of your own. Okay, stay awesome, possum, and I'll catch you later, alligator, tomorrow. Bye.